Now these are the cases I truly like. This is the Masterframe 360 degrees because you can actually see through the entire case from all directions. So yeah, I'm just going to show you one round from the left to the center to the right. And there's also a Cooling X Pro which makes use of very high-end cooling products to cool this Masterframe 360. It actually looks like a wow, very high-end fridge you have at home. So yeah, these are dials. You can change the temperature setting of the GPU and CPU. So yeah, but there's also one over here that is modded by AK Mods. You can put a very big screen at the front. You'll display your favorite figurines while enjoying the full view of your custom-built PC from all sides of the case. I hope I can get my hands on one of these because this just looks so cool. I believe this one will definitely cost a lot of money because having 3 big pieces of glass will add on to the cost. So I like the look of the case. They do showcase your custom loop very, very well. And finally, we have the Mercedes-Benz and Maserati of cases. So this is the Cosmos 2025, a major upgrade over the previous Cosmos 2. Think bigger, build bigger, high-performance desktop PCs. Very, very well done. Very well said. This first one, the Mercedes or BMW cases. This is the Cooler Master logo. Cosmos cases are very big cases and very heavy cases. They have handlebars for you to carry around, which is very essential because once you have a lot of parts inside the Cosmos 2, it's going to weigh a ton. The empty case itself is already very heavy to carry around. So can you imagine when you have like, I don't know, 3 or 4 5090s in this one? So yeah, this first one really looks like a car engine because the cooler over here looks like piston part of the engine. The entire thing is covered up to showcase the CPU cooler to make it really look like a CPU engine. It really look like a car engine. So very smart and very well done for Cooler Master on this one. And this next one, I call it the Maserati because it's very premium, it's high-end. This actually looks like, let's just say, it's a nickel-plated sponge. Yeah, the kind of sponge they use to scrub your pots and pans, but I guess it kind of resembles gold. Of course, gold is very expensive to have on a case, so this nickel plate is close to what you can have for full gold. The main thing about Cosmos cases is glass panels. You can easily pull and detach to enter the case. Cable management and building in this case is relatively simple because of all the room and how easy it is to access all of the parts that you need to build your PC inside the Cosmos 2025. After all of the big cases and big PCs, there's also a small one over here. This is called the Framework Desktop. So Cooler Master has partnered with a company called Framework to develop unique mini PCs for your travel and for your home use. If you don't like the big ones over here, yeah, you can consider this. It has very intricate design patterns, which makes this case stand out. Also, like the cube, I believe you can have different designs for the front of this PC. I thought of actually having a PC like this for travel, but I still think it's limited by the GPU that is inside. So this one uses a Ryzen AI CPU. The graphics is really much better, but it's still better to have a full graphic card for video creation. All the hardware, of course, you will need to have spectacular software. So I'm going to showcase a bit on the Cooler Master software, Cooler Master Master Control. The main thing to showcase here is you can change what is shown on the LCD on the CPU blocks. You can change the orientation of the block. You can even change the text on this one. So now it's saying make it yours. I just type subscribe to me. Yeah, I'm going to change back to the... Yeah, please subscribe to my channel. You can draw your own GIFs on this one, so I don't know where is it. If I get this AIO, I can show you. And the last thing I'd like to talk about is the Master Hub Creator Kit. Okay, this is a modular stream deck or deck for editors, so you can pull it out and change the orientation of these things. So you can change to what you need. You can put different hotkeys on this shortcut. So if you guys are interested, you can check this out. I'm going to end this walkthrough with this very cool design at the back. So let me know in the comments if you like any of the stuff that you've seen so far, and do smash the like button if you like this video, and catch you in the next Computex video.